Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to e-file Form 7004 using an easy method. This process helps businesses gain additional time to submit their tax returns. You can secure an automatic extension, typically for 6 months, without needing to provide a reason. E-filing simplifies the entire procedure, offering benefits like faster processing and instant confirmation that your request has been received. Let's dive into the details to make your tax season smoother. Form 7004 is specifically designed for businesses needing more time to file their income tax returns. It covers a wide range of business tax forms, including those for corporations, S-corporations, partnerships, and trusts. It's crucial to understand that while this form grants an automatic extension to file your return, it does not extend the deadline for paying any taxes you may owe. Always estimate and pay your tax liability by the original due date to avoid penalties. Before you begin the e-filing process, gather a few key pieces of information. You'll need your business's legal name, current address, and your employer identification number, or EIN. Also, be sure to know the exact number of the business tax return you are requesting an extension for. Finally, have an estimate of your total tax liability and any payments or credits you've already made for the tax period. This preparation ensures a smooth submission. E-filing Form 7004 is a straightforward process. First, select an IRS-authorized e-file provider or tax software. Many reputable options are available. Next, carefully enter all your business and tax information into the system, ensuring accuracy. Double-check everything before the final step, electronically submitting your form. You'll typically receive instant confirmation of your submission, providing peace of mind that your extension request has been successfully sent to the IRS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.